API Inc. was founded in 1926 by Reuben Anderson Churn, though originally the company was named after him. API came onto the scene as a contracting business focusing on plumbing, insulation, and heating. It performed some of this work and also supplied materials to other companies. Like many others in the industry, API regularly used asbestos-containing products. The materials that it distributed and installed were commonly used on pipes, boilers, and in ductwork. Can you guess what ingredient these products had in common? Asbestos, of course. And according to the company history on the Trust's website, Owens Corning, a well-known industry name, was one of its main suppliers of asbestos. Workers in trades like HVAC or plumbing, among others, would have been at risk of exposure to asbestos from products used or sold by this company. Ripping off and repairing pipe insulation or sealants between ductwork were just a few ways that asbestos could be released into the air where workers could breathe it in. API reported that it stopped using and selling asbestos-containing products in August of 1973. By the early 1980s, it was facing the first of the lawsuits that would eventually lead it to file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in 2005. 2 years later, in 2007, API's bankruptcy trust was established. It had around $94 million in funding when it opened. According to the latest financial reports submitted by the trust, around $69 million has been paid out to the claimant since the trust was established. The report also detailed that a little over $1.1 million was paid in new claims during 2022. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.